Let's use how to filter the data using the pivot table. So suppose if I have to create the pivot table for this barcode section, I will go to the insert pivot table, table range, new worksheet. Okay, then I will copy this barcode into the rows and the value sheet. If the thing that I am trying to explain is I want to apply the filter over the cell B3. As you can see, if I go to the data tab, the filter option is disabled, right? So in order to get the data, apply the filter, like I have to select the columns like this, so that count also remains the same. Here if I when I am selecting the records, the count is grand total is changing, right? So in order to correct that, what we have to do, we just have to apply, click on the cell C3 and go to the data, then go to the filter. Then you will be able to select the count of barcode and filter the data accordingly, and then you can get the whole count of the data also. Okay, thank you.